So guys, today we're gonna make a fried chicken. So first we're gonna soak this chicken, 4 pounds of chicken legs and thighs, to a milk. I don't have a whole milk, but I can use the 2% milk. The reason behind it, because we want to take that chicken taste, kind of like a fish taste. This one is a chicken taste. We want to get rid of that not so good taste on a chicken. So let's do this. There you have it. I'm gonna mix it up and probably leave it there for like, I don't know, 30 minutes. Alright, so after I soak it for actually 1 hour, I am going to put 2 teaspoons of fish sauce that I got it from Asian store, right there. I'm gonna put 4 spoons of cornstarch, and I'm gonna add chicken fry by Louisiana, 4 spoons of it, and I'm gonna soak it before I will fry it. So there you go. Let's do this. There's a lot because it's 4 pounds of chicken, and then 1 tablespoon of chicken fry. Alright, here's the kicker. Maybe make it 3. There we are. And then we're gonna put it in that little thing. What do you call it? Ziploc. So here's all the chicken. I'm gonna soak it probably for 3 hours before I fry it. So 2 bags of Ziploc. There. Put it in a Ziploc so I can just, you know, mix it once in a while, so it's even. There you have it. So we'll see you in a little bit. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for a little bit. So I actually soaked this, marinated for overnight. So now it is time to fry the chicken for the kids. I have here is 1 bag of Louisiana chicken fry chicken batter mix. I got this at Walmart. So we're just gonna dip the chicken here, and then my oil is frying. I fried one last night, but it was too dark. So I'm gonna have to voice over this one. This is a whole bag of Louisiana chicken fry. The oil is really, really hot. I just want to make sure it's really hot so that I can cook my chicken for 16 minutes. And that should be done by then. We actually have a deep fryer, but I did not change the oil. My husband has to do that for me. So right now I'm just cooking it on a deep frying pan. I did add cornstarch on my butter, so it's a lot crispier and crunchier, and the kids actually love it. They said, oh, it tastes like KFC or Popeye. It's just as good as those chicken, and it's really cheap. It's $12 for 4 pounds. You cannot beat that. So we'll go ahead, we're gonna dip this chicken. We're gonna fry it 8 minutes on one side, 8 minutes on the other. By the way, I don't like putting eggs on my batter, so that is just so good. Just that, without eggs, it's just perfect for me at least. So 8 minutes on each side. It is golden brown. It's actually cooked, so we're gonna try one for you guys. Here's my stepdaughter. Miranda, say hi. Hi. That's why I'm busy, guys. I can't do YouTube right now. And we'll have Miranda try it later when it's a little cool. We're gonna put it in a paper towel first. There you have it, guys. So here's the finished product. Let's eat, guys. I hope I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
You just watched the Filipina Girl Next Door. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. We want to give a special thanks to the super chatters and members for supporting this channel. And remember, by supporting this channel, you are helping one kid in the Philippines. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Bye!